showed them how to get on the interstate right quick. Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Zeb back again with another video, man. And as y'all can see, we doing another POV, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. I need to go ahead and go pick up some scents for my car, so I ain't had no scents here in a long time. Let's see what they got going though. They keep the doctor away, so we're gonna do a little pull before we go to the store right quick. Now I got my camera mounted up, so I'm not gonna take it in the store, but we're gonna do a little pull for y'all right quick on this back road. We're gonna turn around, go to the store and get a couple more clips, and then yeah, we're good. It seemed like that car trying to speed up. I ain't gonna lie, doing one pull, man, it just wake me all the way up every time. It'll do it every time, man. Now I need to clean my windshield. Hold on. That must be the inside. But anyways, man, don't think I forgot about the long tube headers. Those are definitely on the way, but not at the moment. I got some more in store for y'all for this car. We not done yet. We almost done, but we not done yet. And even when I'm done, I'm still gonna be adding more to it. And eventually I'll be getting something else, so I'll be copping another vehicle. And I'm gonna probably do like a poll or something to let y'all try to choose and see or guess which car I'm gonna get. Or I ain't gonna say too much, because if I say too much, it's just gonna spoil it. But y'all gonna see, man. I'm gonna upload a poll, but not right now. I ain't done with this car just yet. But the next thing I get, it will be crazy. It's not gonna be something like this. Well, not too crazy, but I feel like it's more viewers out there for the next V I'm trying to get. And they're pretty popular. I'm sure y'all seen them before. Bro got a wide body on his truck. I know y'all see that. Bro got a wide body lift kit on his truck. I ain't never seen that. On a truck like that though. For a pickup truck, I seen pickup trucks like that, but trucks like that, not so often. See, I see another truck behind me that's like that right now. There's a whole bunch of modes on here, man. A lot of y'all been asking me about my lights and complimenting me on them. I got them from Amazon. If y'all want the link, just let me know. That truck is cutting up. What is this here? Is this a G-body? Look like a G-body. Oh, it's a Monte Carlo SS. We're gonna park somewhere secluded because I got my camera right here. So we're gonna park on the side. I parked all wrong, I ain't gonna lie. Let me back up. Let me do that. All right, I'm about to go ahead and go in, y'all. I'll pick y'all back up when I get back in. All right, but I'm back. We got the sets right here. We got Caribbean Colada. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Caribbean Colada and new car set. So I'm gonna put y'all on game, man. What I do, I get one for one side of the car and one for the other side, and I save the other three. I don't just put all of them immediately. And that's how you save on a lot of these. You buy 2 packs and you use one from each pack. Car is coming mighty fast. Bro looking at me like, why is his car backing up? What y'all think about me doing a video of me door dashing in my car? I'm gonna have to get somebody with me though, okay? Jack boys is not finna jack me, gang. Hey, bro, car sound like a semi truck. Get away from him. Okay, bro, pulling off. That Corvette looking nice with them colors. My city is pretty boring, but I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I think I said this in another video, but I will be doing some POVs in different states and different cities coming very soon. So I want y'all to be on the lookout for that. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, man. If y'all didn't already, because we're in the middle of the video, make sure y'all go ahead and do that, man. I love all the support that y'all be showing me on my shorts and POVs and stuff. See, y'all can't be doing that, gang. Trying to brake check me? To get from around though. You braking and the car is all the way up here. Y'all tripping. And you gonna look back at me once you brake, like you know what you was doing. So I have to grab that mystery mouse tool, blow you away. I'm just playing, y'all. I don't condone no violence at all. Wish y'all could smell this, but y'all can't. So y'all just gonna have to imagine, or go to the store and go buy you some car scents. Cause I know your car smell like cigarettes, gang. Go fix that. Trying to go too crazy, cause it's the police road. They probably like, look at this kid in this loud car with a camera. Yes, my car is loud. And yes, I do got a camera. let me know in the comment section, man. What do y'all want to see me do in my car? What mods would you like to see on my car? What would you like to see me do in my car? I surprise myself every day with the things that I do. Like, I never knew how to drive manual until I got this car. What are you doing? Stay in your lane. Pay attention. Bro looking at me like he mad. Come do something about it. Come do something about it, gang. What area am I gonna go do some clips at? Let me see. See the light done chain now. Look at him braking. We're about to cause a whole accident. Show them how to get on the interstate right quick. Let's show them how to get on the interstate. Somebody need to pull them over. They speeding. What y'all braking for? Don't brake now. Don't brake now. I'm sitting there. I'm worried about them. I'm running into the what is that? The shoulder. But anyways, man, that will conclude the video. It's your boy Zell, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, you better click that subscribe button if you want to see more car content like this, man. But anyways, man, I'm out, man. I'll see y'all in the next video.